Hello everybody, Scott Straub here, and in this short video, under 2 minutes, I will show you how to use a YouTube playlist. First of all, what's a YouTube playlist? If someone has uploaded a video or multiple videos, most likely it's more than one, they can place them in something called a playlist. This is nothing more than a group or a folder of videos that the person who uploaded it created. And by the way, if you have videos and you'd like to create a playlist, it's really simple to do. I'll create another video on that. But anyway, let's say you come up to a place and they say open up the playlist. Well, if they place it inside, let's say, a web page and they make it clickable, you can click on it. Really simple. We're almost done. And you can click play all to watch all of the videos, or on the right hand side you can select the videos that you'd like to watch. You could have also, if this isn't clickable, you could copy and then open up a new browser and then paste it up there and it'll open up. And then one last thing here. If you come to a place on a web page, a website, and the playlist is embedded, well, if you click on this video right here, it'll open up the first video in the playlist, or the video that they tell it to open up first. However, if you'd like to find the list of all of the videos in the upper left-hand portion, click on it and you can find a list of all the videos, then just select the one you want to watch and you'll be golden. That's it, everybody. Hope this video helps.